Greetings to all the aspirants present out there. This is Chandigarh Civil Services. Aspirants, we all are aware that the UPSC has recently conducted the preliminary examination. So, in this particular session, we will be looking into the current affair analysis of the Journal Studies paper number 1. So, let's see the first question related to your current affair. That is, consider the following statement. Statement number 1. India's public sector healthcare system largely focuses on the curative care with the preventive, promotive, and rehabilitative. So, yes, the statement 1 is your correct. Statement number 2. Under the India's decentralized approach to the healthcare delivery, the states are primarily responsible for the organizing the health services. So, yes, this statement is also correct. So, that means both the statements are correct. But yes, when we look into these two statements, there is no particular correlation is there. So that means both the statements are correct. But yes, the statement 2 is not the correct explanation for the statement 1. So that means your option B is the correct for this particular question. Let's see the question number 2 related to your current affair. That is solely based on your one particular report. That is your World Water Development Report. That is of the 2022. So what exactly it is talking? First statement, according to the United Nations, the World Water Development Report of the 2022, India extract more than quarter of the world's groundwater withdrawn each year. So that means the statement is correct. Statement 2, India needs to extract more than the quarter of the world's groundwater each year to satisfy the drinking water and the sanitation needs of the almost 18% of the world population living in the territory. So that means if we look into both the statement, so yes, the statement 1 is correct, but the statement 2 is not correct. So that means directly this question is based on the report. So that means option C is the correct. That is, the statement 1 is correct, but your statement 2 is your incorrect. Let's see your question number 3 related to your current affair. Consider the following statement in relation to the Janani Suraksha Yojana. Yes, statement number 1, that is, it is a safe motherhood intervention of the state health department. So that means this is not of the state health department, but this is of the national health rural department. So that means this is incorrect. Its objective is to reduce maternal and neonatal mortality among the poor pregnant women. So yes, this is the correct statement. Next, it aims to promote institutional delivery among the poor pregnant women. So yes, again, the statement is also correct. And fourth statement, its objective includes providing public health facility to the sick infants up to the 1 year of age. But yes, it is not only providing to the sick infants, but also to the pregnant women also. So according to which this is incorrect. So that means 2 statements are correct and 2 incorrect. And he's asking how many of the statements are correct. That is, only 2 statements are correct. So this is the answer number B is the correct answer of this question. Let's see your next question. That is, consider the following statement. The statement 1, Israel has established diplomatic relation with some Arab state. Statement number 2, the Arab Peace Initiative mediated by the Saudi Arabia was signed by the Israel and Arab League. Which of the following is the correct in respect of the above statement? So when we look at into these 2 statements, both the statements are correct, but there is no such cannot be concluded. So that means this is not the correct explanation for the statement 1, because the Saudi Arabia is the major broker in this particular case, and yes, it is based on the Israel how to continue with the peace plan. So that means this is not the correct explanation for it. Next, that is your directly related to your sports award. He asked the one question, that is, the Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award is for the most spectacular and outstanding performance by the sport person over a period of last 4 years. So yes, that is your this particular question, this particular related to this information is given. Then your Arjuna Award for the lifetime achievement by the sports person. So this is not the lifetime achievement, but for the outstanding achievement. Because as we know that Arjuna Award, it started in the 1961. Then Dronacharya Award, that is to honor the eminent coaches who have successfully trained the sport person or teams. And last is your Rashtriya Khel Protsahan Puraskar to recognize the contribution made by the sports person even after their retirement. So that means when we look at into this, so this first and third statement are your correct, and your second and fourth is incorrect. So that means only two options are correct. So that means only two options related to this question is correct. So likewise, your option B is the correct. Next is your consider the following statement in respect of the 44th Chess Olympiad. So yes, statement number one, it was the first time that the Chess Olympiad was held in the India. So yes, it was held in the Chennai. So this is the correct. The official mascot was named as a Thampi or the younger brother. So yes, this is also correct. And again, he played with the options. That is your option number third and fourth. He just shuffled the option. That is your what? This particular cup has to become here, and this is here. So that means again it has played or shuffled your options. So likewise, which are the correct? That is only two. That is your first and two. They are correct. Rest they shuffled, so they are the wrong. So that means option B is the correct. Next, let's see. Consider the following pairs area of conflict mentioned. That is your country where it is located. So first is your Donbass. This is located in the Syria. No, it is located in the Ukraine part. Then your Kachin, that is in the Ethiopia. Again, this has to come here. So again, they played with your options part is also there. And yes, next is your Tigray. This is in the northern Yemen. No, this is in the Ethiopia. So that means none of these is correctly matched. So that means option D, that is your none, is the correct answer for this question. So that means the UPSC is asking the question. He's asking the question in a very, very diplomatic manner. And the last question, that is, consider the following statement with respect to the G20. Yes, this G20 group was originally established as a platform for the finance minister and the central bank governors to discuss the international economic and financial issues. Yes, it is absolutely correct, because this has came into the existence in the 1999, where around 8 countries has come up with this G20 group. And yes, next statement is your digital public infrastructure is one of the India's G20 priorities. Yes, India is having the 6 priorities, out of which your digital public infrastructure is one of that. So likewise, both the statement related to your this particular question is correct. So option C is the correct explanation for this. So that means this is the analysis of the current affairs, where he asked almost around your 8 questions. So this is about your current affairs. So candidates, if you are crossing the cutoffs, and that means this is the high time to tighten your seat belt for the next stage. So all the best for all the aspirants. Stay tuned and connected. Thank you.